The alphabet is here to help you with these questions. Find the next pair of letters in the series and mark it on the answer sheet. 7. We'll start by looking at each of the pairs and thinking about the first letter in each pair. The first letter in the first pair is X. The first letter in the second pair is Y. The first letter in the third pair is B. The first letter in the fourth pair is G, and the first letter in the fifth pair is N. Imagine that the alphabet is written out continuously so that after Z comes the letter A, then B, and so on, so you can scroll through the alphabet without stopping. The first letter in the first pair is X. From X to Y, which is the first letter in the second pair, is a jump of 1. Then, from the first letter in the second pair, Y, to the first letter in the third pair is a jump forwards of 1, 2, 3. Remember, the alphabet is written out continuously, so when we get to Z, we keep going and work forwards in this way. From the first letter in the third pair, B, to the first letter in the fourth pair, G, is a jump forwards of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. From G, the first letter in the fourth pair, to N, the first letter in the fifth pair, is a jump forwards of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. You can see then that we have a pattern of jumps. First a jump of 1, then a jump of 3, then of 5, then of 7. We are jumping forwards in jumps of odd numbers each time. This means that the next jump will be the next odd number in the list, which is 9. Therefore we'll jump forwards 9 places from N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Forwards 9 from N lands on W, so the first letter in our missing pair must be W. Now we can look at the second letters in each pair. The second letter in the first pair is the letter T. The second letter in the second pair is R. The second letter in the third pair is N. The second letter in the fourth pair is H. And the second letter in the fifth pair is Z. Once again, imagine the alphabet written out continuously. From T to R is a jump backwards of 2 places. From R to N is a jump backwards of 1, 2, 3, 4 places. From N to H is a jump backwards of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. And from H to Z is a jump backwards of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places. You can see that this time the jumps are going backwards, and instead of odd-numbered jumps we have even-numbered jumps. This means the next series of jumps will be 10 jumps, because this is the next even number in the list of even numbers. We'll start at Z and count backwards 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 jumps backwards from Z lands us on the letter P. P is therefore the second missing letter in this pair and makes the full pair of letters WP. You can show your answer of WP like this.